Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to activate Chase Bank debit card online. In order to activate it online, first of all, make sure that you already have an online banking account. So there are different methods of activating a debit card of Chase Bank. So you can do it online or offline. So if you want to do it online, you'll need to open up your web browser or maybe use the application and then log in into your online banking account of Chase Bank. So if you're using a web browser, type in chase.com and this is going to direct you to the chase.com page. Over here, you need to click on a login or sign in button located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Now this is going to take you to the sign up interface. So right over here, log in into your account by entering your credential. As soon as you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page. And right on top, you'll also be able to see an option as activate your card. Click on the link. Next page, you'll be asked to provide in the card details, that is entering the card number, the CVV code, and then the name on the card. After that, click on the submit button and next page you'll be asked to create a PIN. As soon as you're done creating a PIN, then you've successfully activated your credit card. In this way, you can activate your debit card of Chase Bank, and apart from that, what else you can do is you can also get the help of a customer service team. So for that, you need to open up a web browser, go to chase.com right over here. After that, you'll be provided with the contact or the toll-free number. You'll need to contact on the toll-free number. After that, you'll get the help of an expert, and after that, you'll activate your credit card. In this way, you can activate your credit card or debit card of Chase Bank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.